2.0 car vlog. What up? So today is cars and coffee, and I'm super excited because there's so many dang on cars out here. I don't like begging, but I want this channel to be monetized and hit 1,000 subscribers. So please take a moment, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you don't like it, you can always end it, but I promise you I'm gonna bring you a lot of content. But besides that, let's jump into it. Let's go. Look at the C8 Corvette. We're not even down here yet. And of course, that's not, I had to park all the way down because there's so many cars, but the G8 is here. But enough about the G8. F-body Camaro, so check these out. Ooh. Yes, very nice. Listen to it. Sound like mine. It sounds like mine, but now we're gonna be going in here later on. But for right now, we're gonna just check out what we got on the outside. All right, so we got the ZL1 right here. Look at this thing. That Mustang is bad. But then you got the C8 Corvette. Who's revving? Is that not clean? Here we go. One of one. Did you see that? One of one. This thing is very nice. I'm a big fan of yellow. And when I say this thing hits, that's it. Take a moment. Get y'all some content. Returns. Is that the Supes? Is that a Supra?
Hey, that's why you gotta keep your stuff in.
Listen to the sound of it. This thing not clean, bro. This thing not clean. So we got the Mustang boys. We got the Cobras, the 5.0s. Then it separates to two of the Hondas, and I don't discriminate. I don't discriminate. And let's not forget the Ford GT. This thing is beautiful. Is this yours? Is this yours?
No.
Oh, okay.
No, wait.
This thing, yeah, I'm saying this thing is nice. So many cars. I just don't know where to go. I don't. With the Lambo doors. Jeez, look at this. Some people say the Lambo doors ain't a good look. I have to disagree. The Prowler, rarely see these things on the road. They're very nice. Rarely. Thing that you don't really see, this Lotus, Elise, very tiny, very small, but man. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna head inside because there's some stuff I wanna see I didn't see before that they got new. So let's go. This is the one from last time that I came to. So this one right here that I came to last time, I talked about what I would get if it was between this and a vet. I said this because, yep, same one. Because you don't see these things. Like, they're very rare. Look at the GTR. Jeez Louise. I'm gonna just take a guess and say that this thing isn't slow. I'm gonna take a guess. I'm gonna take a wild guess. This is what we are here to see. work on catching people actually leave versus anything. Look at the setup. I love it. It'll trick you because it's an LS swapped. And I've seen this thing on the road before, but this thing being an LS swap, that's pretty sneaky. Pretty sneaky. God, very nice. Jeez.
It would have been here today. But I'm old.
Wow. Jeez. Right. I know he finna get on it. This thing. Hopefully he show out on it, please. What's up, brother? Give me some good content. Yes. Even an old school truck. Let's go. Oh. There you go. Oh, he finna get on it. On it. Oh yeah, just wait till you get on it. Wait till you get on it. Yeah, and even when they like to ride nice and slow, still get the Porsche. Still get the Porsche. Get on it! Get on it! Hey, you light them up? Look at this bad boy right here. What? There you go. He just keep flying through here. He keep flying. He keep flying through here. how can you not like? Love it, love it, love it. Look at that chameleon. Very nice. Even the trucks, bro. Gotta get the biker boys too. Let's go. There you go. Yes. They are down it. The two Mustang boys, boy. Jeez. Jeez. The two Mustangs. They finna get it. Gotta get the C8. Yeah, gotta make noise. Oh yeah. Jeez. Got all the boys lined up. Got them all lined up. Jeez Louise. There we go. There you go. Nice. I love it. I love it. I love it. There we go. There we go. Look at the soups. Jesus. There you go. Can't hear it. Oh, God. There you go. There we go. Everybody. That thing. It looks good. That's all that matters. This thing is so nasty. So nasty. I'm pretty much done for the day. I had a very, very fun day. Really want to thank Fastlane. Had an amazing time. Definitely coming back next month, second Saturday, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, let me know what was your favorite car, what did you think. Please subscribe. I really want to hit that 1,000 subscribers, and I thank you guys that's already supporting the channel. More content coming soon, but me and the G8, we out.